A tornado touchdown in Los Angeles. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We had an apparent tornado hit and to cause damage in Los Angeles County. Here is some video. Roll it.
Turning to a tornado. Did you see it pick up the stuff off the floor? Where's that at? Where's that at?
Oh no.
A tornado.
Oh,
right
it's
there.
it's called a
It came down like a tornado.
oh my God! It's on the tip of my tongue.
Yeah, that looks like a tornado to me. We'll have to wait for the NWS to assess the damage, but we'll keep you updated here on the Pat's Path Richter channel. But with that being said, hit the subscribe button and stay safe.